So we are in downtown Kalibo. We hit Mrs. Butne here. We don't know where to go, so we just walk and walk. Yo, what is up? Buganang adlaw mga kamanok. This is Pong o Goodness Bugana Farm. And here with me is Mrs. Butne. And yeah, we are going out, escaping the farm life for today. Alright, so we're going out to pick up additional plant for our bahay kubo dito sa farm. So we will be adding a few more plants. Ano kaya meron tayo? Alright, so pipick up kami ng in-order naming plant sa Kalibo. So tara, samahan nyo kami. Bye-bye. Welcome to the jungle. Jungle ni Uncle. Yan. Yung jungle ni Uncle. Maraming lansones, may niyog, at lansones pa uli. Medyo masukal ang area.
Medyo masukal talaga.
So we are in downtown Kalibo. We hit Mrs. Butne here. We don't know where to go, so we just walk and walk. Tabi tayo. Teka, dito pa. Dito pa. Tatawid kami dito. So punta tayo ng LBC. Ano, hari ng padala. Pupunta sa LBC. Pick up tayo ng ating planting materials. Alright, so we receive our stuff and we're off and going. We'll check this later sa bahay na lang. May plant na tayo. Alright, so okay na tayo, nakuha na yung item. Sana hindi pa nasisira yung material. Alright, so ayun na nga guys, nag-order tayo ng planting materials. So these are these are dragon fruit cuttings. So yan, unbox natin ngayon. Hopefully okay pa yung mga cuttings. This came from Cebu yata to, si Madam. AgriLife HB yung binilhan natin. Hindi ko na alam saan ako bubukas saan yung ano na ito, yung top dito. So hopefully 1 week, almost 1 week na bumiyahe. Hindi kita ba sparse? So ito muna yung ating ating binili pansamantala as additional fruit dito sa atin. Sana okay sila, okay pa yung items. Ang dulo nito. Baliktad. Tama, di ba?
Kabila, ayan o.
Ito.
Yung side niya.
Dito? na lang. Alright, so ayan, so far okay naman. This is
Hello?
Vietnam white. And then tatlong variety itong binili natin. So this is so this is American Beauty. Malaki yung ano ng Vietnam white, ha, cutting. And this one here, hindi nakaano yung American Beauty. So tatlo to. This one is Townsend Pink. Townsend Pink, yan. Ayan, o. Dumikit to sa mukha. Anyway, hopefully maano natin to. So we have these three guys. Okay naman sila so far. Wala namang nabulok sa biyahe. So itatanim natin to. So we only have 3 as panimula namin dito sa my farm. Alright, so that's it lang muna sa aming dito unboxing ng aming first dragon fruit varieties. So this tree is one of many. We will have a few more coming soon. So, but for now, dito muna. Alright, so that's it lang muna, guys. This is Pong of Buntes Bugana Farm. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!